Let's Invest Right. My name is Farooq and with me is Esan. So Esan, which fundamental are we going to discuss today?
In this video, we'll be discussing about the product, services that the company offers and the industry in which it operates.
So that means in this fundamental, before choosing the stock, we need to see which kind of industry this company belongs to, what kind of services and products do they offer, or how.
So if you talk about investing in a company, you are the shareholders, you are the owner of the company. As an owner, you must understand what the company is offering, right? What the product is, what the product the company is offering, in which industry it operates, right? If you don't know the product, how you can invest? Let me give you an example on this. Assume your friend asks you to invest $10,000 in business. The product that he's saying you cannot understand. Will you invest?
I don't know. It depends. But as an investor, if I would see the profit or loss, not my friendship, I would definitely go back and see what kind of investment he's going to make.
Let me go further. You don't know the product. You don't know the product completely. You talk about the industry, right? Industry, it's highly competitive. Assume he's opening a fashion retailer with a medium quality, medium price. Will you be investing? It's a saturated market, my dear. Saturated market with so many players. So it's very difficult for a new player to get into it, and especially in the local area. Because with $10,000 he'll be investing in a local area and just assuming $10,000, right? So very difficult for him. So you have to understand what the product he is offering. The product has potential. The market. What are the competitors? How the industry is there growth in industry? Is it saturated? There's potential or not? So all these things you need to consider, right, before making the investment in the stock.
That's amazing. So in short, if to summarize what I understood is, before making an investment, before actually giving your money to someone and believing that you are going to have a return on your investment, it's very important first to believe what investment is going to be like. So believe that what your investment is for.
Exactly.
In which market you are going to invest, whether it will have a potential or not. When we talk about potential in the market, so is it really very important to see the potential in the market, or I mean whether the company is in saturation industry, like the industry is saturated really, or it's about more about the tenure of the investment which makes sense, or the return.
But to answer this, it's important to define your investment strategy. What's your plan? What's your goal? Are you investing for a month, a year, 3 years, 5 years, right? If you are investing for a month, then you can trade in any stock blindly, right? You can just do it. With COVID, the prices are currently down, right? You can invest
around 70%, like
exactly,
for most of the stocks.
Exactly. You can just invest in ABC stock and you'll get a return, right? But that's not the right strategy. You can be lucky 3-4 times, not always. You have to be, it's your money. You have earned it with hard income, right? Hard work. You have earned this money with hard work. You cannot just invest it.
So as we've just discussed about potential of the company, the potential of the product, potential of the services of this stock, if we talk about the innovation factor, how important is that innovation factor? Like where I'm going to invest, whether it's actually going towards innovation or just following the same pattern.
See, innovation is the key. If you are investing in a company for a long term, right? Basically, your investments should be for the long term, 5 years, 3 years, whatever, 10 years. If you are not seeing the company as an good investment option, if it's not innovating, it's not a good investment option by any means.
To summarize, Esan, it's very important, guys, to know where you are investing, to know the product and services of your, because you are going to invest your money. You are going to be the partner of that company in terms of being a shareholder of that company. So you should know where you are investing, what your products are, whether that company, that product is innovative enough. Don't invest blindly. Thank you very much. Thank you.